Hello everyone, hope you are doing really well. In this section I want to show you how to create a closed passage for different instructional or assessment purposes at different subjects across different languages. As you see, I have already opened my software and I click on JCloze. Okay, you see this page. I should add a title and add a text here. Then there are some items that I explain them according to the use of them, and there are some buttons at the bottom of the page: gap, delete gap, clear gaps, auto gap, show words. So first of all, I want to add a text from among my files. Okay, I have already highlighted it. Let me copy it. This is about different eating habits across the world. So I just add eating techniques, and I paste, or maybe you want to type the text. I can go through the manually at the gap, or the easiest way is to click on the auto gap. Auto gap means blank every ninth word. Ninth means the number of words between two deletions. I would prefer the number, let's say 7. Every 7 words I need a deletion. Okay, good. You see the number of words that are omitted. If you want different words, you may want to change the number of deletion, but I would prefer it to be 7. It also is closer to the number of deletion common in testing. Okay, now I want to make other changes. I can save it here and export it to create a hot potato HTML format in my computer. I can also save it here, but in the HTML format is more easily shared on different websites. We can also create and export it as a SCORM format to be shareable on different learning management systems, but HTML is more common and you can share it on different websites more easily. But before that, let's go to configuration. Here, as you see, there are some buttons, some instructions, some prompts and feedback, different things in the interface of the test. We can create some changes. For example, instead of gap fill exercise, we can, as the subtitle, we can call it closed passage. According to the language you use, you can create different wordings or use different languages here. Instruction, here it shows how to do the test. You may want to make it easier for some basic learners, low intermediate learners, or for kids, or you may want to change it. For prompts and feedback, for the correct answer, correct, well done. Some of our answers are correct. For some answers incorrect, you may want to change these sentences. For score, instead of writing your score is, you may just want to choose the word score or use different languages. And buttons. When you enter the exercise, you've got check button, OK button, some hints, and different captions. You have different items, and for example, this to go to the next exercise. For index, you can create different directions or different names. Appearance. Here I've made some changes in the appearance, but as you know, Hot Potatoes gives you a plain text. I mean, the interface is white, gray, and black. We can give more color to it by changing these codes, HTML color codes for navigation, page background, title, exercise background, links, visited links, and these words here, and text color. But if you are not familiar with HTML color codes, very simply, you can click on this rainbow and this window opens. You can choose from among these colors or define some custom colors. For example, navigation bar, this black part, let's change it from black to green. Look, for children it's much more attractive. Background color, let's change it to pink. Nice. And also you may want to change the color of this link or visited link or text color. Let's change the text color to dark blue. Look, it changed. Let's preview it. Okay. We can save changes and come here to save it on our computer as a kind of HTML code. Here I want to come here. I have already chosen the direction, the address for saving the test, and here I should name it. It was eating techniques, but I think it doesn't allow space or any other figure. Let's save it. Your file name contains a space. This may cause trouble if you upload it to certain servers. Do you still wish to continue? No, let's just to be on the safe side omit the space. Okay. Now we can save it. When you save it, it asks you whether you want to preview the exercise or do nothing or upload it on the hot potatoes. You can share it with the website. Let's just preview the test. Okay. As you see, you could change this word. You can change the color of these white texts because I cannot see them well. We can also change this background color or do many things. Let's go back to configuration. There were some words there that could be changed. Link, color, visited. Let's again change it, and there were some words here. Navigation bar, color. Okay, you can also play with it to the extent you want to create it as a great, create a good appearance, a better appearance for your audience. The age of audience is important. The level of proficiency, the level of class, all of them are important. Okay. Let's see. Of course, we have already saved it. It already exists. Do you want to replace it? Well, why not? Yes, let's replace it. Do you want to preview it? No. This time I want to go straight to the folder and see the file, Eating Techniques. This is what I have saved. Let's open it. Okay. If I click on the check, the number of answers should be shown, whether they are correct, incorrect. Students can correct it. They can delete it. They have time to delete and correct their answers. And also hit point, and all of them can lead the students. For example, this arrow can lead the students to the next exercise if there is any. And then the instruction here is something that you could change. Okay, you can create your own quizzes, and I am waiting for your quizzes to be shared and to see how we can create different quizzes, on different subjects, and even in different languages. Okay, I hope you have found it useful. Have a nice time.